Feeling is good. Obviously, Barcelona is always a very special race for me. I will try to make everyone happy in Spain, and I know that the people will expect a lot from us, but I think we are ready for the challenge, and in Barcelona we should be very competitive. Well, I have always more motivation when I'm in Spain because I see the grandstand full of supporters with the flags, with everything. So every time you arrive to the next corner, you give your 100% because you know that there are a lot of people expecting a lot from you. So I think normally I take my maximum always in the home Grand Prix, so it's extra motivation. Well, normally in Barcelona you need a car that aerodynamically is very well set up. There are a lot of very long corners, which normally the aero is very important. And also you need historically start at the front. So being in pole position gives you a very high possibility to win the race, so we will try to start at the front. I think the balance of the first four races is good. We make some mistakes, so we lost some points, but overall I think we are in a very good position for the championship. And also the best thing is that we confirm that the car, the F10, is capable to win the championship, because we have a very competitive car and a winning car. So I think overall it's now time to show everybody that we really won this championship more than anyone else. So it's time to deliver now.